And that's where we leave it in this corner, and I'll come to last time.
And the first Canada Girls in Allies Summit-thon is back and taking place on May 24th to 25th. For the past 5 years, this event provided an engaging, interactive, online opportunity for young women in STEM and their allies to call themselves, collaborate with mentors and industry professionals, develop skills, and open minds to new opportunities. Oh yeah, and you can win some really cool prizes. Customers can include like laptops, cameras, a gaming monitor, really cool prizes. For more information on how to register, visit canada.org/summit-thon to find out more. Looking forward to seeing you there.
I'm going to sweep some of the
That's right there.
Alright, last week, score the Polish special for 2023. Let's take a look. So Dex the winner with a score of 102 points, 45. Two teams on the border lines are moving on down in the rankings with Team A65 and last one Team on the blue lines, two teams are moving up in the rankings with guys from Team 1305 in the second place. And we'll see you right back here at the qualification match number 24 as soon as we get the field fixed.
This happened before. No, this is awesome.
Yeah.
I'm thoroughly enjoying this. This is really good. They're doing such a good job.
Keeps everything exciting. Oh, Alex knows what he's doing here.
I hope they tape it on the top. Too.
Cut that in like that. Yeah, I think that's definitely gotta patch her up like that the way you go. Because I think it's got some humps in it. You know, this one's not super flat for some reason.
But it's time to close. All these guys are on our water. They have the